Rap City, you know it's the boy, the infamous Mad Links, and check this out. This is part of the show that everybody get real hyped for. You know it's the booth. It's time for the Ghetto Boys straight from Houston, Texas to get down and do their thing. I'm not freestyling today. The Ghetto Boys. Yo, Uncle Face, man. Grab the mic, boy.
Yeah, I'm hoarse, but I'ma still do this for you. If I can. Yo. Day to day, it never change. You hustle, you get the game. You get caught, you do time. It ain't nothing but a thing. You get out, then you grind. Get your money, that's the game. Get the block back. Murder little suckers in the way. These snitches on patrol. These agents want them sold. The system so messed up, it doesn't matter if you roll. Can't be legal eagle, cause nobody's hiring. And plus, I got a rap sheet as long as modeling. I got a baby now, and bills is piling. I'm from the ghetto, ain't nobody smiling. I probably should've took a trade, gone to Darling, or finished up in high school, gone to college. But I chose the street life that keeps. Face Mob in the building, Chuck Dog and D. Don't stop with Pac. Don't stop with Pac. Willie D, let's rock, yo. 1, 2, take the chin.
Willie D gets down for heels in the boot. And I'ma show y'all that I am bulletproof. And I will put them up in ya. Don't be playing, boy. I'ma tell you what's on the menu. A body's on the ground. Willie D looking around, getting up out of town. You hanging out with Mike Mack. Where you at, dog? Where you at? Come on, Bill. Come on, Bill.
Don't give him no more.
Hold
the
on.
Ghetto Boys, the foundation.
Let me put the mic down so Bill can get down. Break it on down. Bill, show him how you bustin' down on the microphone. Don't make him get on.
Yo, party people, we have it going on in here. Hey, check this out, right? Love is nothing real, pain's the only thing that's real. All the liquor and money only helps to numb the feel. Amongst a crowd, no support, still left with my deep thoughts. No fears, chairs kept me up, still pulling on the Newport. So emotional, Bushwick gotta laugh to cry. Don't ask why, God made us born to die. That's the life of a ghetto boy, nothing left to believe. In my twilight years, till it hurts to breathe. And all I have is a legacy left through my seeds. That's the life of a ghetto boy, well damn if I let it be.
And they thought we was out, but they got jinx. Cause the GB in the booth hanging out with Mad Links. It's like that, dog, it just don't stop. And if you try to stop it, you will get dropped. We just do this, dog. We just do it all day.
It's crazy to move today.
Do it all day.
City.
Just do it, dog.
Foundation
We just do it all day.
Today.
What's up, dog? Really get your homeboy Face. What it do, y'all?